Here we are at the famous Morden Institute, which is incorporated in the veterinary faculty here in Edinburgh. This Vet Vac workshop, well, is fitting in a European project or two European projects. Okay, the SAPHIR project, which is more immunologically oriented, and the PARAGONE, which is more parasitologically.
So it was interesting because I think we talked about a lot of subjects and we covered many topics of the vaccinology. That was very interesting and well organized.
Of course, they are intermingled because the parasitology is also concerning vaccination. And the big theme here is vaccination. And during the first day, two fundamental talks were first presented. The first one was about the mucosal vaccination, because we know that all pathogens practically enter mucosally. And that is very important because historically we didn't target so much mucosally, it was always by needle. And now that explanation by Professor Cox was very good, how we can target mucosally, how we can give vaccines mucosally, how we can antigens, get them inside the body to stimulate the body to produce an immune response. The second talk was the young animal. How can we target immune responses in the young animal? And that is also important because all our production animals are living a short time, and it's very important to vaccinate in the young animals. Then afterwards the talks were more on PARAGONE, okay, and on SAPHIR. And if we go, for example, today was this morning a very nice talk about how to identify structural epitopes, okay, even common epitopes, with example of influenza, where they use the stalk region of the hemagglutinin protein and how they construct that with the help of antibodies and everything. That was very nice. And then here now, just before we came here together, there was another talk about the development of a toolbox, all the reagents, the immune toolbox, for identifying cells, molecules which have to do with immune responses. And it's good that it's centralized in a group who is developing the tools for identifying immune responses and also the molecules involved in it.
And for now, I'm working for Virbac as a project development manager. So I'm working in a research and development team, and I am producing pilot batch vaccine used for proof of concept. So it's not manufacturing, it's really development, and it's not research. And that's exactly what I wanted to do. I presented my experiences and all the things I did before being hired by Virbac. So the idea was to understand how I managed my career and how I found the job of my dream.